Sheep meat, also known as lamb meat, has several benefits. High protein content. Sheep meat is a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Rich in B vitamins, particularly abundant in B12 vitamin, sheep meat supports nerve health and aids in the production of red blood cells. Source of iron. Sheep meat is rich in iron, crucial for oxygen transport in the body and metabolic functions. Various other minerals. Sheep meat contains essential minerals such as zinc, selenium, and phosphorus, which contribute to immune function, bone health, and metabolism. Easy to digest. Sheep meat may contain less fat compared to other red meats, making it easier to digest and lighter on the digestive system. However, it's important to consume sheep meat in moderation. Excessive consumption of red meat can lead to health issues, including an increased risk of heart disease. It's best to maintain a balanced diet with a variety of protein sources and to choose lean cuts of meat. Additionally, paying attention to cooking methods and avoiding fatty cuts is crucial for overall health.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.